So I'm Josh. I love gadgets. These are some of the gadgets that I love to use that are behind me. I 3D print and I make custom stuff. I'm currently 3D printing a body kit for my classic Mercedes. So I thought that what I would do is get some new Meta glasses so that I can film those times where I'm building hands-on so that you can kind of see my point of view. So I thought I'd do an unboxing because they're brand new. They are the new Meta Fury Mahogany with the transition lens, which is pretty cool. I thought I probably want the ones that change because I'm going to be filming inside and outside, and I don't want the sunglasses just to be filming outside all the time. So I've got transition lens. I don't normally love them, but I think this is a good compromise. So this is the Meta box. It comes with a nice embossing on there. Packaging is looking real slick. Slide out with the Meta Fury Mahogany on this side, and then the Meta Elisio Luxotti, yeah, which must be the company that made the frames. So this is pretty nice. So Meta have obviously upped their game of kind of packaging from just being Facebook to being a physical product company. That's a pretty slick box. It's kind of crafty, Apple-esque, maybe a bit more kind of cool and not so tech, which is nice. Nice band on here, and let's see if, yeah, cool. So the sunglass box does the same. There's some ridges in it, which is pretty cool. Very Apple iPad kind of style. Got some covers, which is obviously to protect the glasses. From the first kind of view, I just had to make a noise. They look real nice. The finish is lovely. I assume, okay, so it looks like there's two charging pins there, and it looks like that's, is it wireless charging? No, there's two little bits of metal there. But the lenses and the frames look real nice. Got like a kind of brushed bronze brass kind of finish on there, which is pretty cool with the details of the Meta Fury. Fury is a bit of a random name, but we won't hate on it too much. So overall quality looks amazing. They look like a really cool pair of sunnies. I love tortoiseshell kind of vibe. I think it's pretty, looks pretty cool. They just made a noise when I put them on. So that's obviously the speakers that are in the thing. They're making noise when I'm touching them. I assume there's some sort of like touch setting. So this is the instruction manual. So the instructions are printed on a real nice paper, like a kind of fancy letter, you might say. So you charge the case, and then the glass charge in the case, which makes sense. Pretty sweet. And it's said on there they fold up. So cool. So that's obviously how you have them when you travel. Got a light on there, which shows the charge indication, and then they pop up. That's really slick. I think that's cool. Polishing cloth, which I've probably got 30 of them, but it's a nice addition. And yeah, packaging's amazing, really cool, really slick. This is amazing as well. This is super, super cool. Love that, designed so nicely. These were 340 quid with the reactive light. I actually just thought though, I have got a UV light that I'm going to test and let's see if it'll reach power back. Let's see if I've got power on here. So I thought this would be a good test to see kind of how they react to UV. I don't know if this will work, but Let's test it. Okay, cool. Very quick. Nice and dark. Let's try that on both. Maybe from the back. Cool. Very quickly active. I think he's going to look wicked as sunglasses. But yeah, obviously just change. Cool. Sick. Yeah, well happy with them. Look cool. I'll shoot some videos with them and add it in, and then hopefully you can watch me make stuff and use them a bit more. So if you like tech stuff, you like 3D printing, I'm doing a lot of 3D printing on my car, which is fun. I also do loads of my hobbies. It's called the Weekly Quests. Every week I have a different quest. That's what comes with having ADHD. So if you enjoyed it, follow, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want me to do next. I'm going to review that big bad boy soon. I've just done an unboxing, but I haven't launched it yet. That's the new massive Elegoo. Got the smaller one there that I absolutely loved, so upgraded to that resin printer. I've got this massive one that you can check out some videos of me 3D printing spoilers and body kits for my car, and any suggestions you have that you think would work well and you can distract me with, put them in the comments. Cheers, thanks.